Hello students, the purpose of this video is to show you the free resources that you have as a JCC student. Luckily, as a JCC student, you are given access to Office 365 products. I have went ahead and accessed my email as well as logged in into my account, which took me to this page. Now yours may look slightly a little different depending on what screen you're on or what laptop you're on, but you should be able to navigate to this page. When you come to this page, you'll see the different icons that represent the different applications you have. The first one being Outlook, which is what you generally click on to access your email. OneDrive is similar to Google Drive or Dropbox if you've used any of those resources. It allows you to save files so that you can access them from any device. I apologize, Bento is barking at a car in the background. The next application that you have is the Word icon. Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, as well as OneNote, are all accessible to you for free in their online editions, and you are welcome to use any of these online editions. I'm going to show you some things related to these programs in a second, but really quickly, I do want to click on this word, Install Office. When I click on Install Office, it actually allows me to download the Office 365 apps. I'm allowed to select which ones I want to download for free to my device. And so you'll actually be able to download that to your laptop. And I believe, don't quote me on this, but I believe you are allowed to download up to like 5 devices. So if you have an iPad or like a desktop computer at home and all those different items, you may be able to upload this to multiple devices. So again, don't quote me on that, but I think that's true. But let's say you don't want to download these items to your laptop, then you can go and actually click on an item such as Microsoft Word. You can click New Blank Document. And once you do this, if mine will work, and I double clicked it a few times, it's going to actually open up in another window, and it's going to load a page that says Word Online, and it's going to begin loading the Microsoft Word interface. And mine's going a little slow today. It honestly is normally much quicker than this, so I'm not sure exactly why it's going so slow, but it's coming up. Bear with me. What's pretty cool about this is that the majority of all the features that you have on Word when it's downloaded to a computer are pretty much available to you when you are on your other device. And again, you just type as you always would. You have your text changers, text size changers. You can bold, underline, change colors, highlight, all of that good stuff. There's a lot of features that you can use, such as pictures and tables and comments. I encourage you to glance through all these different things, and you're welcome to learn about the different features. But what I do want to show you is how to save a document. So let me go back over here. You'll notice that I am going to click on the word File. One thing that I ask of all my students is that when you have to submit documents, you either submit them as a Word doc file or as a PDF document. So I'm going to click on the word Save As. When I do Save As, saving a copy online, that's only going to save this into my OneDrive folder, which is not what I want. Instead, I am going to want to either download as a PDF or download a copy. Please keep in mind that both of these features will download the file to your laptop. And I apologize, Bento is acting up, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and click on download as a PDF. It's going to state that my document is ready, and I'm going to click on download. And when I do that, for me, because I'm working on an Apple computer, it automatically pulled up the PDF document. I can change the name to assignment 1. I can say save it to my desktop, and boom, it's done. And that allows me to now upload this to Blackboard. For those of you that may have your settings a little different, or maybe you're working on a Windows computer, when you press File and Download, it's going to go to wherever your download file is. So you'll want to access your download folder on your computer. Okay? Again, these are resources that are free to you as a JCC student, so I definitely encourage you to utilize these resources. I do want to mention one last thing because you may be required to use Excel at some point. I do like to have one activity that utilizes something called Goal Seek. Unfortunately, Goal Seek is not available in the online edition of Excel. So just keep that in mind that unfortunately the online editions do not always have complete access to all of the tools and resources. But for the most part, it will suffice for what you need. Okay? As always, if you have questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out, and I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day.